When considering a bathroom renovation in Pascagoula, MS, one of the most impactful changes you can make is a walk-in shower installation Pascagoula. Walk-in showers not only enhance the aesthetic appeal of your bathroom but also increase its functionality. With professional shower installation services available in Pascagoula, you can transform your bathroom into a modern oasis. Whether you are looking for a complete bathroom upgrade in Pascagoula or just a shower remodel, expert services are readily available to meet your needs. Custom shower design in Pascagoula is a popular choice for homeowners looking to add a personal touch to their bathroom spaces. With a variety of options available, including glass shower doors and tile shower installations, you can create a unique and stylish shower area. A walk-in shower installation Pascagoula allows you to customize every detail, from the choice of tiles to the shower enclosure style. Glass shower doors installation in Pascagoula offers a sleek and modern look, while tile shower installation provides durability and a wide range of design possibilities. Custom shower design Pascagoula services ensure that your shower space is tailored to your specific preferences and requirements. Shower plumbing services in Pascagoula, MS, are essential for ensuring that your new shower functions properly. From shower drain installation to shower head replacement, professional plumbers in Pascagoula can handle all aspects of shower plumbing. Whether you are upgrading your existing shower or opting for a walk-in shower installation Pascagoula, proper plumbing is crucial for long-term performance. Shower plumbing Pascagoula MS services include everything from initial installation to ongoing maintenance, ensuring that your shower remains in top condition. Proper shower plumbing is crucial for preventing leaks and ensuring efficient water flow. Shower waterproofing is a critical component of any shower installation or remodel. In Pascagoula, shower waterproofing services ensure that your shower is protected from water damage, which can lead to costly repairs. If you are considering a walk-in shower installation Pascagoula, investing in quality waterproofing is essential to maintain the longevity of your new shower. Waterproofing involves sealing the shower area to prevent water from seeping into walls and floors. Shower waterproofing Pascagoula services provide peace of mind, knowing that your shower is built to last and resistant to moisture-related issues. For those seeking a bathroom contractor in Pascagoula, there are numerous options available. A bathroom contractor Pascagoula can oversee your entire bathroom renovation project, from design to completion. If you're planning a walk-in shower installation Pascagoula, hiring an experienced contractor ensures that the project is executed with precision and high-quality craftsmanship. Bathroom contractor services Pascagoula include everything from shower installation to full bathroom remodels. Hiring a professional contractor ensures that your project is completed on time, within budget, and to the highest standards of quality. When considering a bathroom renovation in Pascagoula, MS, one of the most impactful changes you can make is a walk-in shower installation Pascagoula. Walk-in showers not only enhance the aesthetic appeal of your bathroom but also increase its functionality. With professional shower installation services in Pascagoula, you can transform your bathroom into a modern oasis. Whether you are looking for a complete bathroom upgrade in Pascagoula or just a shower remodel, our expert team is here to assist you. custom shower design in Pascagoula is a popular choice for homeowners looking to add a personal touch to their bathroom spaces. With a variety of options available, including unique tile patterns and custom shower enclosures, you can create a shower that perfectly fits your style and needs. A walk-in shower installation Pascagoula provides a modern and spacious shower experience, perfect for any bathroom upgrade. Our shower renovation experts in Pascagoula are skilled in bringing your vision to life, ensuring that every detail is executed to perfection. For those in need of shower plumbing services in Pascagoula MS, our team offers comprehensive solutions to ensure your shower functions flawlessly. From shower drain installation to shower head replacement, we handle all aspects of shower plumbing with precision and care. Whether you're opting for a standard shower remodel or walk-in shower installation Pascagoula, our services guarantee optimal performance and reliability. Our shower plumbing Pascagoula MS services are designed to address any issues you may encounter, providing peace of mind and reliable performance. Glass shower doors in Pascagoula are a sleek and modern addition to any bathroom. They not only enhance the visual appeal of your shower but also provide a practical solution for keeping water contained. Whether you are updating your existing shower or planning a walk-in shower installation Pascagoula, glass shower doors add elegance and a spacious feel to your bathroom. Our glass shower doors installation Pascagoula services ensure a perfect fit and seamless integration with your existing bathroom design. Choose from a variety of styles and finishes to complement your bathroom's aesthetic. Tile shower installation in Pascagoula is a popular choice for those looking to add durability and style to their bathroom. With a wide range of tile options available, you can create a custom look that reflects your personal taste. A walk-in shower installation Pascagoula allows for a fully customized tile design, adding both elegance and function to your space. Our tile shower installation Pascagoula experts are skilled in creating beautiful and functional shower spaces that stand the test of time. Whether you prefer classic subway tiles or intricate mosaic patterns, we have the expertise to bring your vision to life. Shower waterproofing is a crucial step in ensuring the longevity and functionality of your shower. Our walk-in shower installation Pascagoula services include expert waterproofing techniques to prevent leaks and structural damage. Our shower waterproofing Pascagoula services provide a reliable barrier against water damage, protecting your investment and preventing costly repairs down the line. With our expert shower waterproofing techniques, you can enjoy a worry-free shower experience for years to come. Custom shower design in Pascagoula offers homeowners the opportunity to personalize their bathroom spaces. Whether you're interested in unique shower wall panels or innovative shower accessibility features, a walk-in shower installation Pascagoula can cater to your specific preferences. Shower accessibility features are particularly important for those with mobility challenges, providing a safe and comfortable showering experience. With the help of shower renovation experts, you can incorporate these features seamlessly into your bathroom design. Shower enclosure installation is another key component of a successful bathroom upgrade in Pascagoula. A well-installed shower enclosure not only contains water effectively but also adds a touch of elegance to your bathroom. If you're considering a walk-in shower installation Pascagoula, choosing the right enclosure is crucial for both functionality and style. Glass shower doors Pascagoula are a popular choice for their modern look and ability to make a space feel larger. When paired with quality shower fixture installation, your bathroom will exude luxury and sophistication. In Pascagoula MS, shower plumbing services are a critical part of any bathroom renovation. Proper plumbing ensures that your shower functions efficiently and reliably. Whether you're replacing fixtures or opting for a walk-in shower installation Pascagoula, professional plumbing services are essential to ensure water flows correctly and efficiently. From shower head replacement to shower drain installation, skilled plumbers can address all your needs. Shower drain installation is particularly important to prevent clogs and ensure proper water flow. With professional shower plumbing Pascagoula MS, you can enjoy a hassle-free shower experience.